Welcome back, EDC Pride Group. What we have today is a quick unboxing. This is the new Asher knife. I forget which one it is, but we'll open it up and we'll go ahead and see what it is and just look at some of the specs on it. Today's unboxing knife is the Piranha Knives Amazon. It's a push button automatic. It's pretty cool auto. I don't carry it very much. It is not deep carry. There is a lanyard hole and everything. But it just is a really neat auto. Aluminum chassis here. And I do want to say it's 154 cm mirror polish or near mirror polish blade steel. So yeah, I've had this for about a year now. Doesn't get a lot of pocket time, if any, just because I can't legally carry it here in PA. So we'll go ahead and get into this. Quick unboxing and everything. Like I said, this is the Asher knife. I want to say Shurion or something like that. Nice unboxing. I mean, they always have boxes. So it comes with more like kind of Omega springs, just in case, I guess. That's pretty minimal boxing. That's just what it is. Good action. It's a harpoon blade. Harpoon style. Blade steel is S35VN. Gray G10. There is some texture on the G10 here. White G10 backspacer, so I think I'll probably dye that. I'll take it apart and do a disassembly and probably a dye video, and probably dye that like a deep blue or something. That's got good action on it. That's got good action. Now these are 84.50, I do believe. So that's really good for S35VN blade steel. It could definitely use a stropping. It is a deep carry pocket clip, which is nice. All the hardware is, and the blade is, it looks like bead blasted or sandblasted or stone washed. There's a nice big fuller blood groove. It is a harpoon blade. Nice belly. I want to say it's probably one of the nicer budget knives I've picked up recently, being that it's S35VN and a little bit customizable. I do like this as a deep carry pocket clip. Nice that it came with extra Omega springs. Yeah, so we'll go ahead and get some information specs for you in the video, and get some close-ups of the knife and go from there. Also, join my Facebook group. It's Lions EDC Pride on Facebook groups, as well as find me on Instagram. It is at Prestige Jewelry _LC for my Instagram, and everything's linked down below for my website, where you can save 10% off any of the knives I sell, as well as 20% off any of the jewelry that I sell on my website. If you have a question or want a custom something done, email me through my website or lions.edc@gmail.com, and I can look into it for you and see what I can do for you and go from there. Christmas season is in full swing. I work at W.R. Case & Son, as well as running my own business out of my house and everything, online and for local people. So, as well as anybody in the community that needs anything, let me know, and we'll just go from there. Good action on the Asher knives. Good design and everything. It's a really beautiful knife. Customizable and everything with the white G10 backspacer, which is awesome. I'm definitely going to be doing something like that. So again, Friday nights, I try to go live 6 p.m. Eastern, and then go from there. What we have is I try to do giveaways. If they're not, giveaways, and let's see, I try to celebrate different things that are happening in the community, as well as I'm trying to sell some different knives and stuff like that on my lives, and we do a spin the wheel if you want to purchase a knife on one of my lives. I usually take 10% off any of the lowest prices that I can find online for the brand new knives that I have in stock. And then if you're on the live and you want to purchase a knife that I have for sale, you can go ahead and spin the wheel and get $5 to $50 off a knife, depending on the wheel. So join us on Friday nights. It's just a great group of guys and girls that like to talk about knives and just chat about what's going on new in their life, different endeavors that they're going through. Just like me, I've been having a lot of family things going on. I appreciate everybody's support and prayers and everything with everything that's going on. I'll talk more about that on my live with everybody, and let everybody know an update on Mrs. Lyons and the baby, as well as what's going on for the holiday season. And I just appreciate everybody, and we'll just go from there. We're going to have some more unboxings, more overviews, reviews. Like I said, it takes me a little time because I like to get a backstory on knife designers, manufacturers, and a little bit more history on certain things that are available for people. Now, there was 4 available of this knife the last time I checked. So, and like I said, they're $84.50. That's with the shipping and everything else. Great company. They're out of Pittsburgh, PA, which is about 4 hours away from me. Shout out to Pittsburgh Strong. Everybody down at Asher Knife Company. We'll go ahead and shoot the pictures and close-ups and overviews of the knife in right here, And I will catch you on the next one. Thank you very much, EDC Pride Group. Have a good one. Bye.